Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to adjust the brightness of any image on Pixel mobiles. First of all, open your Google Photos and choose the required image you want to adjust the brightness. And tap on the edit option bottom of this image. Here you can see the options, suggestions, crop, tools, etc. Choose the tools option. Here you can see some of options, suggestions, crop tools, etc. Scroll toward right to choose adjust option. Choose the adjust option and here you can see the brightness option as a first option. Tap on the brightness. Here you can decrease or increase the brightness of this image. By doing this, you can make your images more attractive and beautiful by adjusting the brightness. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.